Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel M Technology. In today's video, we will see how to speed up your PC or computer. Okay, now let's move on to the video. First, you should right click and then run. After clicking on run, you should type here control panel. After control panel, you should go to power options. In power options, you should put to high performance. After putting to high performance, you should come back and again right click, then go to run. Now you should here type percentage temp and percentage. Now hit enter. After enter, you will see an interface like this. So now you should delete everything from here. These all are temporary documents, so you no need to take this all. Okay, delete and click on yes. Now some files will not be deleted, so skip that. Now you should come here and empty recycle bin and click on yes. After that, come to start and now you should restart your device. After that, see how it works. Thank you.